Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Storyfire token. Ticker symbol is Blaze. Now this is a brand new token on the Binance Smart Chain. This token here you can find on BSC Scan, and it was just announced that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, April 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is storyfire.com. Over there you could sign up, you could log in. There's a video section, a written section, social section. You can check out the help center, Oasis Legal. There's Zeely, Telegram, Twitter, basically tons of like little videos that you could watch on here, all sorts of cool stuff. And it looks like a lot of the videos that that you would see on YouTube and things like that. Like they have what's that guy's name? Ian from whatever. What's that podcast that Ian guy's from? Anyways, doesn't matter. There's like YouTube type videos on there, and it says here that the Storyfire platform, powered by the Blaze token, will revolutionize the metaverse paradigm by combining SocialFi, Gamefi, and DeFi into one unified experience. And this token will be listed here April 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So the ticker symbol is BLAZE. Now, prior to this listing here on Mexc Global, they do have a reward pool, $50,000 reward pool in USDT that they're doing a Kickstarter event for this token. So you can get involved with that by voting with MX tokens to potentially win airdrop. So if you're on Mexc, you probably already know what these Kickstarter events are, so you can get involved with that before the before the token gets listed. So on BSC Scan, it says this token only has 14 holders, so they're not even available on Pancakeswap yet. So it looks like this is going to be their initial listing date. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 20 billion Blaze tokens. Now, besides that, they have a Telegram here with 45,703 members. 5,467 of them are online. You can find their Telegram at Storyfire Community. That is a great place to join the conversation regarding this project. If you want to learn more, talk to community members, ask them what they think about the token, things like that, that's a great place to do it. It says Storyfire is your Web3 gaming, social media, and DeFi hub for all content and engagement powered by the Blaze token. And then their Twitter. Their Twitter, I'm going to put up right on the screen here. Gold verified checkmark, 3,416 tweets. Looks like they're also followed by Gate, so they're probably also going to get other central exchange listings. But right in their pinned tweet, they're talking about their Mexc global listing. And they have a full link tree on this Twitter right here. You can see it right there. So their link tree is going to take you to the website, Storyfire platform, download the app, socials, Oasis, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, all that stuff is on there. So it says, ignite your potential with the Blaze token on Storyfire. They have tons of partners, like Certic is one of them. Maybe they have a full Certic audit, KYC. So maybe that's on the page here somewhere. Looks like they're on CoinMarketCap already. Polygon, Decubate, all these different partners are on here, really big partners. So they have statistics. It says, dive into these statistics that showcase our vibrant community's growth. They have over 2.2 million users, 162,000 daily active users, $971,000 in project revenue this quarter. Initial market cap, $163,000, and they have over 1.1 thousand KOLs onboarded globally. Also a buyback and burn. Each month, 10% of the revenue will be used to purchase Blaze tokens off exchanges to be burned. So it says their total supply, we already went over total supply, 20 billion tokens. Fully diluted valuation is $8 million. So some of the features that power the Blaze token on Storyfire is engaging, innovating, and earning Blaze tokens by promotion. Boost your visibility across multiple platforms. It says cash out seamlessly, crypto withdrawals at your fingertips, tipping with Blaze tokens, support creators with secure and instant tips, and streaming. Share your moments and go live. Step into a world with endless possibilities where your Blaze tokens fuels across adventures across boundless gaming worlds. Truly get paid to play within Storyfire Oasis. So that's when you click on Oasis, looks like the gaming part. It says earn real rewards for your playtime with Oasis. So there's mini games that are quick, fun, challenging. Then there's rewards, unlock exclusive perks and bonuses. And then there's videos, metaverse, and fixed ads coming soon. You can download their app on their webpage, and you can check it all out, blaze.storyfire.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.